The first advantage is high speed. What is high speed? Basically, computer is very fast device. What is the meaning of the fast device? It can perform millions of calculations in few seconds. Okay, so if you given the same task for the user, the same operation done months or weeks or days. Okay, so that is the reason we can say that it is a fast device. Let us take example like if you go to bank, so there are some cash machines you can find out. So the entire cash is going to be calculated within few seconds. Not only that, the credits, debits and the entire account details we can calculate it within fraction of seconds, right? So this is one of the easiest task for us. Similarly, per second in railways lot of reservations are going on. Okay, per second lakhs of people or crores of people are buying tickets with the help of the computers. Okay, similarly, if you go to shopping mall, you bought some like 100 products. So building of 100 products is very faster. Okay, so computer is very fast device. It is capable of performing calculations very large amount of the data. Okay, so and one more point is the speed of the computer can be defined like milliseconds, microseconds, nanoseconds and picoseconds. So this is the basic calculations. What is the meaning of millisecond? 1 millisecond equivalent to 1 by 1000. That means in a second 1000 time. See how much speed it will be. So a computer can performing lot of calculations within fraction of seconds. Okay, so simply we can say that we can providing quick service with the help of the computer. Okay, and we are using in banks, shops, stock markets, internet applications, etc. Next advantage is accuracy. So computers do not make any errors. Humans can made lot of errors, computers no errors. Okay, so errors caused by the humans but not computers. So in addition to that, computers are very accurate. Accurate means correct. Without any errors, the data is given to the humans. Okay, so whatever calculations we have done, all calculations 100% error free. Okay, so if input is correct, then it can perform all jobs with 100% accuracy. Okay, so accuracy is one of the important factor for the computer. Let us take example. You are giving some input like track 1 dot mp3 in some movie name is like A. So the computer can play this song. What is the song you are giving? Track 1 is giving. Track 1 from A movie is only playing from the speaker. So that is nothing but accuracy. So in the shopping mall, the person is scanning the product. Whatever product is going to be scanning, that data is taken by the computer. That is nothing but accuracy. Similarly, in online Amazon or Flipkart, you are giving some product order. Whatever product order is given, so that order only get the confirmation in your page. So that is the meaning of accuracy. And next advantage is reliability. Okay, so what is reliability? Reliability means a computer can use long life. Okay, so computers designs to make maintenance easy, and our electronic components or computers are more reliable. Okay, like maintenance free. So once everything is completed, your job is very easy for us, right? So simple. When you buy a product, this product is going to be used in long time. That is nothing but reliable. So for first program, same output. For 100 program, same output. For 1000 program, same output. For 10,000 program, same output. So that is the basic concept of reliability. Whatever burden is given to the computer, the burden is easily carried by the computer based on the configuration. Advantage is diligence. Computer is diligence machine. So that means a computer can work continuously long time without any errors. That is nothing but accuracy. At the same time, it is not feeling bored. Okay, so it can perform various tasks with the same speed and accuracy. Okay, but if you take a human or user, he can do work sometime, after some time performances decreases and he may be tired. Okay, he is going to be lose the concentration, right? But computer, there is no tiredness and there is no loss of concentration. So that kind of properties comes under diligence. Okay, so whenever you are giving the job to the computer, it is ready to accept the data, ready to do the work. That is the feature of diligence. The next advantage is versatility. So what is the meaning of versatility? Versatility is nothing but multi processing features. Multiprocessing features. That means the computer we can use widely in so many areas like e-commerce and scientific notations, educations, banking and transport. So every day our real life we are going to use our computers. Okay, so that is nothing but it is going to be do different type of jobs. Okay, so the computer can performing any job which is provided by the user that is related to the different kinds of data is comes under versatility. Okay, similarly a complete person can be family man, can be professional, can be player. Okay, so can be son, can be husband, anything. Okay, so this person we can call it as versatility nature. Similarly, computer is also versatility feature. The next feature is called automation. So what is the meaning of automation? Once job or process is given to the computer, then the functionality executed automatically. Okay, so does not require any kind of human interaction of this process or this job. This kind of mechanism is called it as automatic mechanism. Okay, automatic mechanism. So based on this automatic mechanism, today we are using washing machines, okay, smart TVs and smart assistants like Google assistants like Alexa, Apple Siri, Samsung Bixby, everything is comes under automation. Okay, so automation means what? Ability to perform given task automatically. Okay, automatically. So once computer receives the program or once computer takes the data stored in the computer memory, then program and instruction can control the program execution without interaction of the user. Okay, so nowadays everything is comes under automation like automatic cars, washing machines, micro ovens, ACs. Okay, so everything is works based on the sensors, so that is based on automation. Next advantage is high storage. So in a computer we can store large amount of data. Okay, large amount of data in the form of terabytes or petabytes or exabytes. So means large amount of data we can store. Okay, anonymous large amount of data. Okay, at the same time we can retrieve the data whenever you need it. We can store the data as per our requirement. Okay, so the capability of storing and retrieving volume of data based on our requirements. See, you can observe that nowadays we have like Amazon Prime or Netflix or Amazon or Google. So every organization storing huge amount of data. So this data is taken by the computer.